How are we doing, guys? Got a new video. Super excited to put this one up. It's going to be a fun project, and we've already started a lot of the teardown. But this is the beginning of the end for this project. This is where we start to rebuild it, and I wanted to document the whole thing. It was my grandpa's vehicle. He got it from a junkyard, salvage yard. I worked on it when I was 15. Went to my cousin Caden, who was his first vehicle. He kind of drove it into the ground and parked it out back in a field. And it took me a couple of years to get it from him. I finally got it and didn't do much with it for the first year. But this last year, I've been dedicated to fixing this vehicle up. It's a 78 Jeep J10 pickup, short bed. I got lots of exciting things to do to it that we've already started. So if you kind of stay tuned, there will be a slideshow right after this, so you can kind of see the pickup as it started as a whole this summer to where it's at now. And now we are going to start to rebuild it. So enough talk. Let me grab the camera and I'll show you where we're at. Oh, it's kind of dark in here. It's towards the end of the day, so my lighting isn't all that great. Anyway, so here is my Jeep chassis. The pickup's over there with boxes stacked on its head. That's the cab. The bed's out back. But I got the chassis all straightened out. We bought it from a junkyard. I'm assuming it had been totaled and hit in the back end, because down there was twisted a little bit and about 3 inches to the right. So now I got it all sitting up, straightened up, leveled out, and ready to, we're going to box the frame. Ethan has already come in here, and as you can see, it's kind of shiny. He's been polishing, and he was kind of cutting his teeth on learning how to use the welder and build his own vehicle, so to speak. His pickup's right behind me. He just boxed his frame in. Oh man, it is way dark in here. You probably can't see this, but it's not super important. We'll document that one as well. It'll be under an 06 Chevy with a 800 horsepower Cummins engine and a straight axle. So it's going to be super exciting. There's the axle sitting over there for this. It'll be on 1-ton axles, front and rear. I'm taking the engine and transmission and transfer case out of his 06 Chevy. We have a 6-liter with a 4L80 transmission. We're going to have about 625 to 650 horsepower. And we're just going to make it a ripping farm truck. It's going to have a flatbed, just like it had when I got it from my cousin and my grandpa got it. So we're going to try to keep the nostalgia there of grandpa's old vehicle. Yet we're going to modernize the suspension with coilovers in front and rear, 1-ton axles, overdrive transmission, and a 6-liter LS, which is super reliable and can handle super high horsepower and just make this thing a whole bunch of fun. So, well, enough watching this. I'll play the slideshow and you guys can see what it looks like, or what it did look like, and I will start documenting each part of how I boxed the frame, and we'll move on from there. So enjoy the show, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and if you have any suggestions, I haven't decided whether to make this LS a carbureted version or stay with the fuel injection. We are going to stroke it to a 408 and make it super nasty. So yeah, if you have a preference, what you want to see, like I said, I'm undecided, and maybe the viewers can help us build this project. So shoot me some comments, and I will see you on the next video, guys. Thank you.